Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with session 2 of Does It Look the Same? Venki has made a red and a white shape. Make a line on the white box where you will keep a mirror to get that shape. Look at how the line is drawn in the first box to get the picture next to it. So look at the picture. This one is already done for you. So if we will keep a mirror on this dotted line, we'll get the picture next to it. Now look at the picture B. So where we will keep our mirror to get the picture given here. So here is the dotted line, here is the answer. Now look at picture C. So if we'll keep our mirror on this dotted line, we'll get the picture like C. Now picture D and E. Look at the D first. Now for E. Half a turn. So once there was a king, he was upset because thieves kept stealing costly jewels from his locker. Here is what the locker looked like. So locker looked like this, and thieves kept stealing costly jewels from his locker. So king was very upset because of stealing. The locker could be opened by giving its handle half a turn. Another half a turn and the locker would be locked again. The king would often leave the locker open thinking it was locked. Can you guess the reason? One day, his clever daughter gave him an idea which he liked very much. Now he never got confused. Can you guess what the idea was? The king's daughter asked the king to put a dot on one of the yellow blades, like this. So if it is open, the king can easily identify that it is open as the dot is upside, and if it is down, it is locked. So the problem of king is solved. The king had many such lockers with different handles. Check if on giving them half a turn he can get confused with these two. So yes, these lockers are also confusing. So can we have the solution for all these 4 lockers? So what will you do to solve the problem for each of these? Now Now look at the first locker. We can also put a dot. You can draw a design also. Now look at the second locker, third one and fourth one. Same after half turn. Guess which of the shapes below would look the same after half a turn. So square after half a turn it will look same, even rectangle, circle and again rectangle also. Triangle will not look same after half a turn. This hexagon will look same after half a turn and pentagon will not. So except triangle and pentagon, all the shapes will look same after half a turn. Do you find it difficult to tell? If yes, there is a way to check your guess. Here's how you can do it. Take any of the shapes, trace its outline on the sheet of paper. Now keep the shape on its outline and give it a half turn. See if the shape fits its outline. Practice time. Find out which letters in the English alphabet look the same after half a turn. So here are the alphabets. Alphabets like H, I, N, O, S, X and Z look the same after half a turn. Which of these English words reads the same on half a turn? See, zoom, Z-O-O-M. So after half a turn it will look like this, wooz. So it is not the same. Let us look at the another word, mauve, M-O-W. So after half a turn it will look like this. So it is correct. It will look the same on half a turn. Next word, swims. After half a turn it will look like this. So it will, this word also reads the same on half a turn. Then says. After half a turn it will look like this. So this word also reads the same on half a turn. Then noon. After half a turn also it looks like this. So this word also reads the same on half a turn. Give half a turn to the numbers from 0 to 9. Find which of them still looks the same. So the number 0, 1 and 8 still looks the same on half a turn. Think of all 2, 3 and 4 digit numbers which look the same on half a turn. For example, 2 digits number 11, then 88, 69, 3 digits number 181, 808, 818, 888. 4 digit numbers 1881, 8008, 8118, 8888. So this number will look same on half a turn. Which among the following pictures will look the same on half a turn? Look at all the pictures carefully. We'll start with A. A will look the same on half a turn. B will not look the same. C will look the same on half a turn. D will not look the same after half a turn. E will not look same after half a turn. F will look the same after half a turn. G will not look the same on half a turn, and H will look same on half a turn. Now activity time. Have you ever seen a windmill? What is it used for? So you must have seen windmill. It is used to generate electricity. So let us make a toy windmill. So how can we make a toy windmill? Take a sheet of paper, fold it as shown in the picture. You have to cut it square. So cut out the blue part of the paper. Your sheet of paper will now look like a square. So fold it along the red lines. See, you have to draw from the corners, cut it out, and then fold it along the red lines, and then open the fold, draw circle on the sheet as shown in the picture. Cut along the red lines till you reach the circle. The paper will look like this. Take a pin and make a hole on the 4 corners as shown in the picture. Now fold the corners such that all the holes lie on the top of the other. Pass the pin through the holes and fix it in the stick. Your windmill is ready. Run with it and see how fast it moves. Does your windmill look the same on 1/4 of a turn? Does it look the same on half a turn? Discuss. 1/4 turn. Does the fan look the same on 1/4 turn? See, before turning it looked like the picture given at the left side, and after 1/4 turn it looked like the picture given on the right side. Will this fan also look the same after 1/4 turn? Draw in the yellow box. See, the fan is given with 2 yellow blades and 1 blue blade. So before turning it looked like this. So after 1/4 turn you have to draw it into the yellow part. So it will look like this. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.